Hey guys, Ralph here. In this episode, we are starting to install the long arm parts.
What's going on, guys? I'm going to explain to you short arm versus long arm using an old flag post or flag pole. Short arm, disregard this piece. This is short arm. This mounts to the chassis. Here's your front axle. As you're going over an obstacle or a bump or a rock, the chassis gets full hit. The driver's going to feel that. On a long arm system, the mounting point's back here, usually underneath the driver's seat, in that range. Front axle's back here. As you're going over or articulating over an obstacle, less movement, which translates to better performance, better articulation, and ultimately a better ride. With that said, on to the build.
Alright, shut up, Will. So, we first started by taking apart the front axle assembly. Then, we started to drill into the frame in order to get the correct mounting points for the arms. We'll bored out a pilot hole and then clean it up with a drill bit.
What's going on, guys? I'm gonna take out this bracket over here. Go check it out. This is the old setup. Lower control arm, upper control arm. This is going long arm. All this shit's got to get lopped off. If you got a 6-inch lift, you can leave them on there. In this situation, he's got a 3-inch lift. This has got to go. Here are the tools you're gonna need. Grinder. I'm gonna switch it off with a zip wheel. Sawzall with a short blade. Necessary batteries. Have all your stuff ready. You don't want to get up and go. You want to get up and get all your parts. Nice hammer. Pry bar, adjustable ladies foot. That should take care of that. There you have it. Tools needed to get this bracket off.
We had our buddy Mike drill and clean the frame so that we can bolt up the other side of the arms, and we repeated this on the other side of the vehicle. Then, we bolted up the back end of the long arms to the frame. We'll grind it and welded a track bar to keep the axle centered.
Let's go install some ball joints. Fuck off, Ralph. This is the Allen socket that's going to remove the lower cover for the ball joint. As you can see here, I'm taking off the cover to reveal and release the ball joint itself. We have here a snap ring tool to remove the snap ring. Alright, we're going to use a wrench to remove the upper ball joint cap to actually take the ball joint out. Now that the ball joint's out, the ball joint housing is ready to get removed or pressed out. Now we got the press from OTC to remove the upper ball joint housing. As you can see here, I'm inspecting for any obvious damage and wear and tear. What we have here is anti-seize to install the ball joints properly. After applying anti-seize, go ahead and install the ball joint housing. Now you can go ahead and press the ball joint in place. Please do not use impact tools here. Make sure that it goes in smooth. If you feel any kind of resistance, stop and reset. Go ahead and remove the lower ball joint zert fitting and install with the provided Carli washer. When installing the lower ball joint, make sure that the zert fitting is oriented so that it's serviceable. Like the upper ball joint, go ahead and press the lower ball joint in place. Make sure that you're using the provided Carli washer. That is a must. With the correct size socket, go ahead and install the zert fitting. Now with the snap ring pliers, go ahead and reinstall the snap ring. After installing the ball joint into the housing, go ahead and put the cap back on.
Oh, wait a minute. Breaking news. The build will continue later. But Jesse's coming back?
Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And always, love it, live it, race it!